carbonara, which is homemade, without using homemade spaghetti. So spaghetti in the packet, creme fraiche, bit of butter for the pan, some bacon. So we'll start with heating the water. Slice the bacon for the pan. 4 or 5 slices of bacon. Get rid of that excess fat. And you can make them a bit smaller if you like on some. Okay, that should be good. Okay, we'll add a bit of butter in the pan. Get the pan nice and hot. Try a bit of the fat from the bacon as well. You never know, we can blend that down. Okay, add in the bacon. Okay, good. Nice different sizes of bacon in there. So, once the bacon cooking away, get the pasta. This is a 500 gram packet. Let's do just about half of that. Really fine of bacon. I mean, if you've got pancetta, that's probably the right accompaniment to go with carbonara. But bacon is a really good option. Let's push the pasta down, it softens a little bit. It should push into the pan alright now. Bring that to a boil. So we can add in our creme fraiche into the bowl. A bit of pepper. So grate yourself some cheese. I mean, again, should be parmesan, but no parmesan in the fridge. So we're just going with cheddar, still cheese, still tasty. Grate some of that off. You can add that in with the creme fraiche. Get that in there. Two bits to the left. A little bit of a stir around. No real reason, just to mix it. And then once the bacon's done, we're going to add the bacon into there whilst we wait for the pasta to cook. So the pasta's bubbling away nicely. Separate it out a bit as it cooks. And as it has come to the boil, we'll just turn it down a little bit. It's also done, but that's just on a low heat. Just to keep it warm. Okay, so the bacon's done. So we'll add the bacon into the creme fraiche and cheese. Bacon's just been on a low heat, so it's still warm, but not overly hot. I've taken some of the water from the pasta, just about 50 ml. Just take that out before you drain the pasta. of cheese on the top. Doesn't need any salt in whilst cooking, because your salt will come from the cheese. And then a little bit of pepper to finish. Quick homemade carbonara. Don't forget to like and subscribe.